In this tutorial, we're gonna talk about how to get Groq API for free. Groq API is a API which you use for free. You don't need to pay anything. Groq API. You can see this interface, and from this you can go to the API keys and create an API key. I have already created an API keys, and you can see the API calls also. So display name A B C D. No expiration. You can choose also how many days, for how many days you cannot. Look, this is a API key. You have to copy it and use it.